What's up guys? In this video, I'm going to show you how you can activate airplane mode on your iPhone. Okay, so there are several ways we can do this. Actually, two ways. I'm going to show you the first one. We're going to swipe down from the top right corner of your screen like so we can access the control panel. So as you can see in this area right here, these are our radios. The first one here is our phone. That's how we connect to 4G and how we call. This one is our Wi-Fi and this one is our Bluetooth. Now this icon right here is the airplane mode. Right now it's off. We're gonna click it to see what happens. Okay, so as you can see, we turned off the phone radio, so there's no phone, there's no 4G or 5G, and we also turned off Wi-Fi. As you can see, the only one that remains is Bluetooth. However, this is a setting that is remembered. So you can actually turn it off right now if I click here. So Bluetooth is disconnected also. Okay, now iPhone is going to remember this. So let's activate. I'm gonna turn off airplane mode again. So okay, as you can see, everything is reactivated. I have Wi-Fi on, I have my phone on, and of course I also have Bluetooth on. But since I turned it off last time, see what happens when I turn on airplane mode again. Let's click it. Okay, so as you can see, it turned on my phone and my Wi-Fi, but it also remembered to turn off Bluetooth. Now, again, we can do this. We can select each one we want to turn on individually. So I can have airplane mode, but also Wi-Fi. Or I can turn off Wi-Fi and turn on Bluetooth. I can also turn off Bluetooth and just have, well, not my phone. That's the only one you cannot activate. That's the one that gets forced to be off unless you deactivate airplane mode, okay? So I'm gonna turn it off. Okay, so I reactivated all my radios. Okay, I'm going back to my main screen by swiping up from the bottom of my screen like so. Okay, so what is the other way that you can activate airplane mode? The other way is to ask Siri to help us out. So the way I have it, there's two ways actually. You can, if you have it activated in your settings, you can actually say, "Hey Siri," and Siri is going to pop up, and then you can ask her to help you out. I do it the manual way, so I click and leave clicked the power button on the right of my phone. So until Siri appears, then I ask her to help us out. So let me show you. Click here. Hi Siri, can you please help me activate airplane mode? And there you have it, guys. Okay, I'm just gonna show you again so you can verify. Right here you can see the airplane right there, but if you want to verify, you can swipe down from the top right corner of our screen like so, and there you have it. Airplane mode is activated. I'm gonna turn it off again just to reestablish all my radios, and we're up and running again. So I hope this was helpful, guys. Please like and subscribe so I can continue to give you guys more helpful tips in the future. Stay tuned. Cheers.